Welcome to day 6. I'm so excited that I've made it to day 6. I woke up feeling a little bit better this morning, not 100%, but I'm thankful for the progress. I was able to meditate this morning, say my affirmations, did some stretching, and I still feel that severe fog, kind of like how I felt, I think, on day 2 when I started dispelling mucus. So I'm pushing through. And I already had my lemon water, so I am waiting the 15 to 30 minutes to drink my celery juice. And meanwhile, I'm gonna make breakfast. I have my dragon fruit. I'm only gonna do a half of a banana because I was reading, and if we want to do the heavy metal detox as well, then Anthony recommends for us to scale back on the ingredients. So I'm going to do half of a banana. I'm still going to do the dragon fruit, and I'm going to do my wild blueberry powder because I ran out of organic blueberries. So I'm going to do 1 spoonful of the blueberry powder to make my liver rescue smoothie. And about 30 minutes to an hour later, I'm going to make my heavy metal detox smoothie. Because I really just feel that it's something that my body needs. I just, we listen to our body speaks to us. So it's just what I feel. And it's day 6, so this cleanse is really about to get intense. So I want the heavy metals to really come out of my body along with everything else that needs to come out of my liver. So I'm about to make breakfast. Also, I was looking over today, just in case you're doing this cleanse and need to prep, to make sure that I have everything that day 6, consists of. And I do. I have everything, but I will need to prep for days 7, 8, and 9 because it really gets real. So I'm going to have to go out to get groceries later to get some spinach and learn how to make the spinach soup, figure out what I'm going to do about cucumber noodles, or if there's a substitute for that. So yeah, it's getting really intense, and day 9, it's really going to go down. So I will keep you posted, and I'll come back and show you what I've done for lunch. All right, so I am about to do my heavy metal detox smoothie. I'm doing a second half to my breakfast. I did a smaller version of the liver rescue smoothie so that I could fit this in. Since it's day 6, I really want to do as much cleansing as possible. Day 6, day 7, and day 8, so that my body can release everything it needs on day 9. So I have all these ingredients. I have tried this smoothie before, but I've only mixed them in a mason jar. Because I haven't always used all of the ingredients, but now I have them all, so I'm excited to put them in my blender. In the past, I've just used barley grass, wild blueberry, and seaweed. And the Atlantic dulse and the spirulina. But now I've added the orange, I've added the banana, and I'm actually blending it instead of just putting it in a mason jar. So I'm excited to see how this turns out and to see how I start to feel. So I'm about to blend up my second half of breakfast, and I'm using a cup. You can use a cup of orange juice, a cup of water, or a cup of coconut water. So I'm using a cup of coconut water just to give my palate a different flavor. All right, you guys, it is lunchtime for day 6, and I'm feeling pretty good. This is the best I've felt in a while. I still do have some brain fog, unfortunately. The fog is real, but I'm feeling, better in my body. It's the best way I can describe it. Better in my body, like I have more energy. Not tons of energy, but I have more energy than I have all these days. So I'm thankful, very thankful. So it's lunchtime, and I have been analyzing this just to make sure that I'm doing everything right when it comes to day 6. I had my lemon water, I had my celery juice, I had my liver rescue, I had my heavy metal detox smoothie. So now we're at lunch, right? Steamed asparagus plus steamed Brussels sprouts plus a liver rescue salad. And for my snack, I'm going to have apple cinnamon stuffed dates. I may make those for eat the rest of my apple pie filling that I had yesterday, and some celery sticks. So I'm on the right track. Day 7, 8, and 9 look real. So I'm going to go to the market probably soon to pick up my supplies. I even had to order a, what's it called? I forget what it's called, that helps you to, a spiralizer. I think that's what it's called. I ordered one from Amazon because I don't have enough energy to go out and start searching for one today. It's going to arrive in the morning to make my own cucumber noodles, because I looked at the recipe from Anthony William and we're supposed to make this. So I've never made cucumber noodles in my life, but I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. So I'm going to buy my cucumbers and everything today. I'm going to buy everything I need for day 7, day 8, and day 9. I'm going to buy it all today. So send good vibes my way, please. And if you're doing this cleanse, make sure that you stay 1 or 2 steps ahead so that you don't fall off. You know, I've come so far in these past 6 days. I don't want to just mess up anything, you know? So here's lunch. I did a liver rescue salad with some, it just kind of looks so you can see what's in here. Some onions. I did put some cilantro because I did not put the cilantro in my heavy metal detox smoothie. I would prefer to eat my cilantro. Also have some mixed greens in here. Some onions. I didn't put much in here. I don't have much of an appetite, to be honest with you. I sprinkled some oregano on top of it. And I put the rest of my dressing from yesterday, the salad dressing I made, put that on this salad. And oh, good old faithful, I steamed some more Brussels and asparagus and sprinkled them with oregano. So I'm almost there, you guys. Day 6, lunchtime. All right, I made it to the end of day 6. Praise God, because I'm getting a bit frustrated with this cleanse. I don't have a taste for another salad. I don't really have cravings, but I don't want a salad and I don't want any more Brussels sprouts or asparagus. No more. I don't. But I don't have a choice because I want to cleanse. I want to heal. So this is where we are. I had my apple pie filling snack again earlier today after lunch, and my celery sticks, and the apple pie filling was delicious, the leftovers from yesterday. I am exhausted. I had to get more groceries to prep for day 7, 8, and 9. More asparagus, more cucumbers, more apples for my juice day on Sunday. Spinach for my spinach soup. That'll be interesting. So I'll keep you posted. Here is dinner. I blended up some more salad dressing because it's really good with the oranges and the garlic and the honey. And I wanted to try this. Let me show you. This steamed Brussels sprouts and asparagus and maple cayenne sauce. So I don't have any maple syrup. I used honey, okay? I don't have any maple syrup. I already got my groceries. I forgot to get maple syrup. And it's not something I really use regularly, so I modified it with honey. And looks delicious in the book. My food needs some type of flavor. So I just took my steamed asparagus and Brussels sprouts out of the pot. They're nice and steamed. This is my salad. So I'm going to put some of my nice dressing over the salad. This dressing is good, you all. Seriously, and it's exciting to make your own dressing. So I'm going to put these in a bowl with this honey cayenne dressing and show you how it looks. Here we go. This is dinner, day 6. Another liver rescue salad, asparagus and Brussels sprouts with the maple cayenne. What's it called? Maple cayenne sauce that I made. It's very good, sweet and spicy. It's really good, really good. I could see me making this in the future and putting it on a different type of a dish. I'm very, very thankful to Anthony William for just these natural recipes, like true recipes that I can make in my kitchen. I've never done this before in my life. Like, I blended up my own salad dressing. I mixed together dressing, a sauce rather, for my Brussels sprouts and asparagus. So I'm learning a lot on this cleanse, learning a lot. How am I feeling? I'm tired. I'm dizzy off and on. I am hungry. And the brain fog is present, but it's not as strong as it was all the past days. So some progress there. It's not gone 100%, but I would say it's maybe a 10% of improvement since yesterday. So I'll take all the strides, But I'm going to eat this nice meal, have my tea before bed, and get some good rest. But this sauce, you got to try it. It is good.